If you've ever been in a meeting where time just mysteriously passes you by, then you're going to love this tiny but mighty feature in Google Meet. Hi there, I'm Sharon, a virtual assistant for over 15 years and your go-to Google Workspace guide for simple, clear tips that will help you run your business that little bit smoother. So what is this Google Meet feature that I'm talking about? Well, Google has added a built-in timer feature that will help keep your meetings clear, focused, and on track. And I'm going to show you how to use it right now. So first off, I'm using a free Google account for this tutorial so that you can see that it is available to absolutely everybody, paid and free Google accounts. So when you're inside a Google Meet call, you need to go down to this bottom right corner to the 9 square grid. When you hover over it, it says Meeting Tools. If you click on there, and in the Tools section at the top, you will see a timer feature. Now, if you're on a paid Workspace account, the timer feature might be down here below all the other things that are available to you. But on a free account, the timer feature will be the one at the top. And if you click on there, it opens up the timer section. So the timer lets you set a specific amount of time. For example, 5 minutes for brainstorming, 10 minutes for client updates, something like that. And all you need to do is just set the number of minutes and the number of seconds if needed. So I'm just going to set this for 1 minute 30. You can also toggle on and off this alarm as well. So that means a notification will sound when your time is up, which is perfect if everybody's kind of got their heads down focusing on their work, or if you're screen sharing and have forgotten all about the timer. So once you've got it set up, you just click on Start and you will see the little timer icon appears in the top right corner here. And you can just then come out of this. Now, it is worth pointing out that anybody on the call or everybody on the call can see the timer here, but they can also control it. They can also click it and control it as well. So it's worth keeping an eye on the time just in case somebody is sneaky and wants to reduce the time because they think the meeting's a bit boring and they want it to end sooner. So it's worth just keeping an eye on the timer in the corner anyway. So setting up the timer is perfect for things like team check-ins, client calls, co-working sessions, focused brainstorming, or just generally keeping the meetings short and sweet. It will help you run structured, time-bound meetings that show clients that you respect their time and want to keep things moving. And if you notice that the time keeps jumping on this, it's because obviously I'm editing the video. So it is a simple feature, but it is one that can make your meetings just so much cleaner, more focused, and obviously kept on track. So the timer will go off shortly and you will hear it does it twice. And that's it. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, please give it a like and share it with anyone you know who could do with a little bit of help keeping their meetings on track. As always, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.